Growing up, I wasn't much of a risk taker. I never really wanted to step outside my comfort zone or try new things. I think for the most part, life was always comfortable for me, and I was okay with that. Because when you're comfortable, everything's predictable. It's like you're in control and nothing wrong can happen. There's no risk of being in pain, becoming vulnerable, or even getting embarrassed. I've always kind of had this feeling like I wasn't good enough, whether it was at sports or school or anything really. I just found myself comparing my life to other people around me and not being truly happy with where I was at. It might sound funny, but my first season of snowboarding had nothing to do with snowboarding. It taught me so much about life, how to deal with life. It was about fighting back to that voice that kept telling me, you're not good enough, so why even try? Deep down, I think there's always been a part of me that had a sense of adventure, longing to do more. But it's like every time I start to think about trying something new, there's another part of me that becomes crippled from doing anything about it. Just when I would start to gain confidence, just when I would start to feel comfortable, something would creep back in. Fear. Fear can bring you back to square one. It messes you up again and discourages you, and if you let it, it paralyzes you. You need to fight back. You need to get back up. You try again and again until you get where you want to be. No matter how hard the challenge is, you can't give up. You have a choice. You either let life bring you down to the ground and stay down, or you choose to get back up. As for me, I choose to get back up and enjoy the journey along the way.
On my own, but I'm never alone. On a road to wherever I want. And you see,